How to view full screen Netflix on PC. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can view full screen Netflix on PC. To do so, you'll have to follow the steps. Open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Netflix, netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are signed into your Netflix account. Now once you sign into your Netflix account, you'll be presented with this option. Here select the TV show or the movie you want to watch. Click on the TV show you want to watch. You will be presented with this window. Here you will see play button. Click on this play button and then wait for a while until it loads. Here hover your cursor over the video player until you see these playback controls. Now look for the full screen icon usually represented by a square or rectangle arrow. You will see them at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you find this full screen icon, you just simply have to click on it and you will see the full screen view on PC. Alternatively, you can also press the F11 key on your keyboard to enter full screen mode. Now you can view your favorite TV shows or movies on Netflix on full screen. Also, if you want to exit this full screen view, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. Or you can also exit the full screen by taking your cursor to the top and then there you will find the cross button. Simply click on this cross button and you will exit full screen mode. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.